Traction's on, yeah? Yeah. Yo! Oh my days! Oh my life! It just doesn't get any faster, does it? Yo! This is fast, this is. Wow, man.
Has he recorded himself with stick?
Welcome to Hoodstick. We got Big Wass here in his GTR running 680 brake force. Big Wass is going to show us what this GTR is made out of. My first time being in this car, so we're going to go now though. Jeez. Yikes. Yo. Oh my days. Yo. Jeez, man. And how long have you had this car then?
About a year.
You've had this for a year?
Yeah.
You bought it like this, or did you do any modifications on this?
Bought it like this.
What did you have before this in terms of
S3.
S3?
Yeah.
Damn, so you jumped from an S3 to this? Yeah, why not go for an RS3?
GTR's a man's car, isn't it?
Yeah, man, it's crazy, man. So is that Chiptronic then, I take it then? You change gears, just happens?
Yeah, or you stick it in auto.
Traction's on, yeah? Yeah. Yo! Oh my days! Oh my life! What the heck? Oh man! It just doesn't get any faster, does it? Yo! Jeez! Oh my god! We don't want to say how fast this is, but man! This is next level, man. Yikes! Yo! Ah man, okay, I got probably a dream for you then, isn't it, driving this?
Yeah, it's alright, man. Like, gives you good fun, man.
Have you had any problems with this car?
Nah,
though?
nothing.
Nah, man.
I've had it a year, no problems.
No problem whatsoever. That's crazy, man. So what spec is this? What year is this in then?
11.
Yeah, 2011?
Yeah.
Jeez, man, it's so quick. So who's it tuned by, do you know?
Auto Talk.
Auto Talk?
Yeah.
Stage 1, stage 2?
No, stage 4.25.
Stage 4.2.
Then it's had a few other bits and bobs done to it.
Alright then. So this is actually my first time driving this car, so I don't know what to say. Oh wow. Jeez. Okay, so I've never driven this before. Thank you very much for giving me a pleasure for driving this.
Right.
This is gonna be a walk in the park with your handbrake. Nah man, this is crazy, man. Am I in drive now, yeah?
Yeah.
680 brake then. Let's see. Wow. Wow, that's mental, man, that is. feels every single inch of bump. But with this, man, this is like a supercar then, really, then, isn't it? So what speed is this then? 6 speed?
Yeah.
6 speed gearbox. Is this the black edition?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it. This is fast, this is. Jeez. Oh, the brakes are unreal on this as well.
Yeah.
Do you know anything about the brakes? Like what caliper?
They've been upgraded to Brembo calipers.
Man, it sounds so nice as well. That's not straight piped, is it?
It's the Miltec.
Dude, on here. Turn ain't too bad on this. We've just done a U-turn in a small bend. Okay then, let's give it another blast. Wow, man. Hey, this will beat every car that I've been in, you know that. It's not even about the power, it's the fact that it puts the power down. There's no wheel spin or anything like that.
Down to the tyres as well.
What tyres have you got on this?
I've got Pirellis at the moment. I had pilot cups on there before. They're a lot better, man.
Wow, man. Listen, oh man, I can't thank you enough, man. This is my first time driving this car, GTR. I never driven GTR before. And you know what, man? It's safe to say that, man, one day I'd love to get one of these now. Man, this is next level. This is. Do you keep an eye on all these gauges then in the car?
Yeah, just can't really kick it till that's on at least like 60. It's the transmissional temperature, like gotta let it warm up and that.
Do you keep an eye on this stuff? Do you have a tune and stuff?
Yeah. So I always take it back to Auto Talk every couple of months just to like check it all out, make sure it's all good. Because like gotta be safe, man. Can't be running like shit tyres and shit brakes and stuff like that, man.
Yeah. How often do you get this service then?
About every 3,000 miles sort of thing.
Every 3,000?
Yeah, just to be safe.
That's pretty good, man. You know what? This car is so comfortable. It's unreal. And I think, have you raced any supercars?
Yeah.
Lamborghinis, Ferraris?
Yeah, everything.
Yeah, have you ever lost a race yet?
Nah, unless it's wet.
Let's go then. So perfect in the bends. My car can't even do this. Absolutely unreal. Oh man, you got a hell of a car, man. It's unbelievable, like no lag whatsoever. Instant, boom, gone. You don't have to wait. So that is that in a specific mode? Is it eco mode, sport mode?
Nah, that's on. I've got 4 different maps on there. Just change it from the steering wheel.
Wow.
That's in map 4.
I don't know what else to say. Okay. Ah man, I don't know what to say, man. All I can say is, listen, thank you so much, Big Was.
No problem.
Is there anybody you want to give a shout out to?
Auto Talk.
Auto Talk. People check out Auto Talk, man. This guy's giving me a pleasure to drive a GTR. My first time driving one, and I can't thank him enough. Thank you again.
No
And drop a thumbs up if you like it, and stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe on the channel, and peace.